Here's the pepper that I planted. Peppers are easy to find because of their leaves. Their leaves are dark green, smooth, oval shaped leaves. You'll notice though that the leaves on this pepper plant are yellow. And that probably means that they're maybe getting a little bit too much water, and that's from all the rain we've had recently. That's something I'm kind of working on and trying to figure out how to fix that. I only cultivated one pepper plant this year. It's a bell pepper, or sometimes called a green pepper, or maybe even you might know it as a sweet pepper. But this is to distinguish it from the other peppers, such as jalapeno pepper, or cayenne pepper, or poblano pepper, or habanero pepper. There are many types of peppers in the pepper family, or capsicum. That's the name of the pepper family. And peppers are originally from South America and Central America. And although we describe peppers as vegetables in the kitchen, they're a culinary vegetable, scientists who study plants, or botanists, classify peppers as a fruit. And that's because of the way that it's formed through pollination. Pollination happens, as you may remember, in the part of the plant called the flower. Okay, so this is a bell pepper that I harvested a couple of days ago. And now I'm going to take you back as how it and all other fruits began. So let's look at the first thing. This is a bud. So the bud is the first part of the flower to develop. Buds grow right on the stem of plants, and then the bud will get a little bit bigger and a small flower will form. In this case, the pepper flower is a small white flower. Now, thanks to some awesome pollinators, insects like bees, and I've actually discovered that wasps are actually very good pollinators. This flower was pollinated and a small pepper formed and began to grow. And it grew big enough and grew a little bit bigger, and finally I harvested. I actually picked it right out of the garden and I cut it up and I enjoyed it in a salad. There are other ways to enjoy bell peppers too. For example, there's on pizza. I know one of my favorite pizzas, the Pizza Hut Supreme Pizza, has lots of bell peppers on it. Sometimes I order it with extra peppers. There's also stuffed peppers, or you can cut up peppers and put them in your food. Another way to use peppers is to grind them up into a powder or sauce, and you can use those to flavor your food. Green peppers or bell peppers are actually not very spicy. They're actually very mild. But some other peppers, such as habanero peppers or the ghost pepper, is actually very spicy. There's even a scale that measures the spiciness of all the peppers. It tells us how hot all the peppers in the pepper family are. That scale is called the Scoville scale. And you can see on the Scoville scale that the bell pepper is not very spicy at all.